Import your main video clip into the timeline. At the point where your video slows down, take a screenshot of your character. Open your browser or any AI generator. Upload the screenshot and give your custom prompt. You can use your own prompt or mine. Generate the AI image and download it. Bring the AI image into After Effects. Adjust scale and position so the character matches your footage. Split the AI image layer into multiple cuts. As you cut frame by frame, it will create a flicker effect. Add tint effect applied. Tint effect on the AI split layers. Change colors according to your style. Split the main footage layer exactly where the AI image appears. On the footage layer, directly under the AI image, apply the same tint effect. This will help the AI character blend into the scene. Pre-compose, select all layers, AI plus footage. Pre-compose them. Apply a zoom animation inside the pre-comp. Add a new adjustment layer above the pre-comp. Apply BCC cross glitch effect. Adjust settings as per your taste, or copy my values. Final touch, apply CC. Your blend effect edit is ready.